Hi everyone. NEET Super Speciality version 4.0, the elite version, based upon Nelson 22nd edition is out, and today we are going to have a sneak peek at the colorful, new, updated notes at PrepLadder Super Speciality. And here they are. Now when you open the box is going to have this letter, which basically talks about what you are going to get. So it's a small personalized letter you will get. Then you will have the 2 volumes. You have NEET SS Pediatrics NEET SS version 4.0 volume number 1, and slightly bulkier. There is a reason for that. That is NEET SS PrepLadder 4.0 version 2, the volume 2. So we have the 2 versions of volume 1 and volume 2 of the Pediatrics SS notes here. If we open the first page, there is a preface where the team is talking to you. Then we have the contents. The contents have been divided in both volumes, volume 1 and 2, according to the unit. In each unit, we have the chapter wise and there are page numbers given. So if you just have a look, this is the first chapter, growth and development. So you can see that there are one-liners, there are definitions, and these are totally modulated according to the video. You can have a look on the side that the timestamps are also given simultaneously. So you can use these notes in multiple ways. You can use them as you are watching a video, having a look at them. In case you don't want to watch the video or selected parts which you have bookmarked, selected parts you can do as well. And once you have seen the videos during revision, these can act as your standalone revision guide as well. And in between you will find there are good quality images which are there. There is a proper contrast which has been created. And if we try to, just scroll through, you will find that appropriate images which are the same as shown in the class, as shown in the video, that those images have been given to you. There are flowcharts which have been made. These flowcharts are a depiction of what we have discussed in the videos. And there are some boxes where important information or one-liner based information is provided with a different color, so you can have a look. And all the key points, like if you see this point, the new EULAR ACR 2019 makes ANA positivity mandatory. It's a point you should never forget, and that point has been highlighted in a different color font. So immediately when you open this, you immediately know that this point you have to remember, come what may. When we move to volume number 2, volume number 2 will have again the similar way, similar chapters, and we have in the end this special thing called as Nelson updates. You can have a look that Nelson updates, chapter wise, system wise, they are mentioned. And if we go to those Nelson updates, these Nelson updates, you will find that they are again based upon the video notes as well. So you have the video notes talking about the various ways. What we have also done is, if you look at the video discussion on the Nelson update, there is a video on neonatal jaundice. So we have shown the images of normogram. We have actually created these video images for all of you. And these video images, these Nelson normograms, the latest ARP normograms, can be used in your day-to-day setting as well. You can take a snap of them, or maybe once you are done with SS and you have joined DM neonatology, you can take out a segment of it and use for your future reference on a day-to-day basis as well. And wherever possible, important information, one-liner related points, and high-quality images, they all have been added to this. So these may seem to be a bit more, but who told you that super specialty preparation was easy? But we at PrepLadder have tried our best to give you high quality video lectures. You have Q banks, you have test series, you have all the paraphernalia, and now you have these colored notes also available. These colored notes, only 2 books, cover almost everything that we have discussed in our video lectures. They are going to be your perfect companion for the preparation. I hope you benefit from it, and once you start reading, there is no going back. Trust me.